It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. It comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, power tilting steering column, automatic transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, sport suspension, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern midsize luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,